Howdy, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to do a phonics beginner lesson. And if you want to see the full form, look in YouTube and you'll find it. So we'll do these three. B, s, e, and so copy what I'm doing. Okay? So you do this, and then go a little bit in the curl. Apple. You should round the apple down the leaf, but so straight up, then a curl, boot. So, so you do this. Caterpillar. You should curl around the caterpillar. So that's the end of my video, and I hope you liked it. Like, subscribe, share, and goodbye. Was it?